Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days here on my channel, where I'm sharing a video every single day this month. Today's video is in collaboration with Tombow USA. I am on their design team, and today's video is particularly special to me because all of the design team members this week are collaborating using my Scary Harry Halloween collection. So I think that is so fun. Big thank you to Tombow for organizing the whole thing, and thank you to all of the other design team members for working with my stuff this week. I appreciate it, and I cannot wait to see what you guys have created. If you guys, my subscribers, would like to see what they've made using the Scary Harry Halloween collection, I will leave links to all of their Instagrams and or YouTubes if they have it down below, as well as a link to the Tombow blog and the Tombow Instagram, where their projects will be featured all week long. And I will continue to update the links down below as the posts, continue to come out all week long. So definitely keep checking back. But today, as you can probably tell by now, I am making a pocket letter, and I think it turned out super cute. I have not made a pocket letter with this collection yet, so it was really fun. This collection, I did expand it for this year. So last year I only had the 6 papers, but this year I expanded it to include journaling cards and the elements as well. So it was really fun to create with, and I cannot wait to continue creating with it all month long. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. But as you can see, I'm just decorating each of the cards as I go. So I used a combination of my papers and the journaling cards to create the pocket letter cards. On this particular pocket card, I added some of the spider die cuts, and I'm using my Dymo handheld label maker throughout this project to add some fun little phrases and things, because I thought that would be fun. So this one says, "Follow the spiders," which we all know Ron does not like spiders, but I thought that would be funny to put on here. Yeah, and then some little jummies. I am kind of decorating and finishing each card as I go. Most of the time when I make pocket letters now, I do all of the decorating, and then I'll go back and add all the stickers, and then I'll do a final pass and add in all the jummies and little extra bits. But I thought for this one I would just decorate each card as I went. So yeah, so you can see I added the treats onto the little candy card, which I thought would be fun. Maybe I could put a little piece of candy back there or something for my pen pal. I am also using the Tombow foam tape throughout this project to bump up some of the elements and give them some dimension, like this Lumos with the candles. I thought if I bumped it up with the foam tape, it would kind of give the illusion that they're floating, which is perfect because it went on the floating candle paper. So I might as well, right? Might as well make all the candles float. And I am adding again some more jummies, these yellow ones and the orange ones. I think I've talked about previously in another Scary Harry video. I think it might have been the card video that I made, which I will link down below in case you guys haven't seen it. But those yellow and orange jummies in particular match this whole collection perfectly. This Dementor paper in the center pocket, I'm gonna leave kind of blank for the moment because I wanted to put this Solemnly Swear die cut from the collection on the outside of the 2 pockets there on the right. And again, I'm using some more of the foam tape to give it some dimension because I really enjoy that. And I love the Tombow foam tape. It's the best foam tape that I've ever used, so I definitely recommend it. And I knew that the Mischief Managed card would go behind it, so I just put that kind of behind there so I could see exactly where I wanted to put the Solemnly Swear die cut. And then these little footprints are also from my collection. I think they are super cute. So I just cut them out using my silhouette, and I'm just kind of scattering them throughout on top of this card because I thought that would be fun, kind of an homage to the Weasley twins and the map and all that. So I thought that'd be fun. Then I'm gonna slide that in, and then I thought that middle pocket card was a little bit plain, so I was like, you know what, I have these extra little footprints, I'm gonna add them on here. They kind of blend in a little bit more than I would typically like, but they're also kind of like a little Easter egg, you kind of have to be looking for them to see them, which is kind of fun, I think. Kind of like, the map and stuff, you kind of have to look for people to find them. I don't know, but I thought some orange jummies would kind of tie things in nicely, add a little bit more sparkle and fun. And now to start working on the top row of cards. So I'm going to start with the Wingardium Leviosa card. This card already comes with the little Wingardium thing on there, so all I had to do was add a little bit of gold glitter washi tape, and I punched out a little hello using the Dymo thing again, and I'm just going to apply that on top of the glitter washi tape and then add some little orange jummies because kind of what I'm doing this whole project. Slide that in. This card, I'm going to layer up the little cauldron that I painted as well as the broomstick. I think they're super cute. And I don't know, you guys, I love this collection. I think it's so fun. It's very hairy, but it's also, you know, you could use it for any kind of Halloween projects or whatever, you know. I mean, there's obviously some very hairy stuff, but there's also some, you know, kind of usual Halloween-y type stuff in here too. So I just punched out a little witchy to put on there. I don't know what I'm going to put behind this pocket, but it will be something fun, and I hope that my pen pal, whoever receives this, will enjoy it. Yeah. And adding some little gems on there. And then I will go to the final card. And for the last card, I'm actually going to use the Hedwig die cut that comes with the collection, as well as some of the pumpkins. I'm going to add some more of the gold glitter washi tape, and then I will just start layering. So I wanted the pumpkins in Hedwig to be kind of dimensional looking, so I put the pumpkin down, and then I'm going to put some glitter washi tape. This glitter washi tape, as pretty as it is, like, there's very little adhesive on it. I don't know what happened in the making of it, but I had to like apply, you know, some of the Tombow mono adhesive behind it, which is fine. And then I'm going to bump up this little pumpkin and put it in front of the glitter washi tape. Again, just to kind of give a little bit of dimension. And then I wrote a little mail tag on this little label because I thought that was so cute. It was like owl post kind of, you know, so adorbs. And then I didn't really like how all the pockets were kind of arranged, so I'm just kind of rearranging them. And then I will put some spiderweb washi tape along this side because I think that's kind of fun. Ties everything together really nicely. You guys know I like to do both the front and the back. But that is about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this pocket letter, and I hope that you check out all the design team members' projects. If you are interested in my Scary Harry Halloween collection or the Merry Harry Christmas, I will leave a link to my shop down below where you guys can purchase them. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!